Hello and welcome to GAIACHI Spiritual Awakening. Today I'd like to talk about self-love. So I've decided to step out into nature today, which is so beautiful. So I thought I'd come down to the sea, have a bit of self-time. I've meditated and just enjoyed the peace and quiet. So everyone seems to be talking about self-love, what it means, how you get there, what you do. And this is a personal journey, like I'm always saying about everything. No two people are going to have the same journey. Even if you're in a relationship, you can be on the same pathway with similar things happening, but your own journey is yours. So when it comes to self-love, this is not something you can find or do quickly. It's not a quick fix, and it's not anything that's going to happen at a click of a finger. This is what takes work, and it takes nurturing, and it takes loving yourself. So when I say self-love, to everyone it can mean something different. You can get lost in art, meditation, having a bubble bath, going for a walk in nature. It's all things that feel right for you inside. It's what self-love, it's what it means to you. So I could say my self-love time is going out into nature. For somebody else it might be sitting in a book, a reading, or writing, journaling, doing artwork. It's really personal. And the more time you spend on self-love, the easier it becomes and the more your life begins to flow. So can you realistically do self-love every day? Of course you can, and it takes practice. The more you spend on you, the more your world around you changes, and that's what's beautiful. I mean, on a personal journey, I always put everyone first. It was who I was, and it meant everything to me back in the beginning. Now I've realised that the more time I spend on me, and the more self-love I give myself, the more beauty there is around me, and the more I have to give to everyone else, which is beautiful. It really is. The more love I give myself, the higher my vibration goes, the more peace, the more tranquility, and the more everything on a blippy day just goes over my head. You realise that things aren't as important as what you thought they were. And you realise that so much in life is pretty irrelevant. And we hold on to so much which affects our day-to-day life, and it shouldn't. We take on so much from everybody else and the things around us, and we don't need to. And self-love is switching the TV off, switching the radio off, and just enjoying the peace, the tranquility. Because when we're listening to news and articles and things like that, if they're a low vibration, they're bringing our body down. So when we self-love and we're in our heart space, our vibration is high most of the time. Can you stay in that state all the time? I believe you can, from my personal point of view. It takes lots of practice to get there. We're human, we have blippy days. I never call them a bad day because that's a low vibration. A blippy day is just a blip, a moment in time, knowing that at a click of a finger you can change that. If your thought pattern is not in a great place in one moment, you can just sink down into your heart space, allow the vibration to lift and flow outwards, and then we come out of our head and into our heart, which is self-love. And it can change everything around us. So where before you might have had a whole day of not feeling great, you can now have just moments in time. You can give yourself that time to feel like that. Allow yourself to feel it all over your body, because then you've accepted it and you're acknowledging it. And then just slip into your heart space and flood your body with unconditional love. And this will ripple it all the way out through your whole body, and then you lovingly breathe out and let it all out. So instead of staying here and allowing it to manifest through your whole system, you just allow yourself just to feel it, accept it, acknowledge it, and then slip into this beautiful heart space and release it all. And it is that easy. We make it complicated. It's not easy to start. I'm not saying it is. It takes practice. It takes practice allowing those thoughts to come into your head, acknowledging what it's doing to your body, your mind and your soul, and then just releasing it. And even if you do that once a day, and then after a week you notice that you're becoming less in your head, and then each time a moment arises, seeing it for what it is, then slipping back into your heart space and surrendering in love. Now this to me is self-love. And when you get to this state of peace within you, it's all around you. And I can't tell you how much on a personal level, how beautiful it is to be at peace with everything and to feel so much love for yourself, and then ripple out to see so much beauty and love in everything around you. And that is on a daily basis. And once you've let go of everything that is no longer needed to go forward, you've reached that inner peace, and it's beautiful. So I just want you to be mindful in the weeks coming up, months. Just think that whenever you're having one of your blippy moments, allow yourself to have it and nurture yourself for it, and you'll be so much better for it, I promise you. So as we're down here, I thought it'd be really nice just to have a moment, if I'm not blown away. I feel some light language coming through, and also a bit of a meditation. So I just want you to get comfortable, and I want you to close your eyes and take a nice deep breath in. And now I want you to slowly release your breath. And then I want you to breathe back in, filling your whole chest and tummy. And then gently breathe back out. And now I want you to hear the sounds of the water. And breathe in, and then gently breathe out. Now I want you to imagine you're standing on a beach, the waves gently lapping over into your feet. Feel how relaxed you feel and calm. I want you to feel the sun beaming down on your body. And as it comes in through the top of your head, filling your body with beautiful light codes. And I want you to feel all the stress of the day as it flows through your body, down through your heart space, and down through the soles of your feet, all the way down into the sand. And as that water washes back up and over your feet, allowing yourself to feel lighter, freer and calmer. Allowing everything from the day to just slip away gently. And just take a moment to enjoy that peace and quiet. The beautiful sound of the sea. And the light breeze on your skin. And now I want you to feel my heart placed over yours and feel this pure, unconditional love as it flows from my heart to yours. And feel it expand all the way up to the top of your head. And then flow all the way down through your body, down to the tips of your toes. And allow yourself to just feel this pure, unconditional love from my heart to yours. And I'm going to leave you in this beautiful, peaceful moment to enjoy the rest of your meditation, the rest of your day or your evening. And I want you to know you are amazing. Don't ever forget that. And practice your self-love. It's so worthwhile. So from my heart to yours, take care and have a blessed day. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you all soon. Take care. Bye.